Hi guys. I hope I'm gonna be audible. I'm so sorry my speech is a bit off because ngifaka ama-wires. So I had a conversation with a friend of mine called Zama the other day. And clear conversation here too. We were talking about those men who are ungrateful, those men who forget ukuthi what he did for them and all that. Uze athi-ke umnganami, even if ungaya kuye uyomtshela ukuthi wena after everything ngikwenzele yona ngikuphipha isihama wena wenza mina kanje, athi yazi ukuthi uzovela athini, uzovela athi ehena phela bekufanele vele ukuthi usiphiphe leso sihama leso, angithi besonwela wena and you wanted to stay. Obvious bekufanele ukuthi usule so that singakunukeli because you were willing to stay or ubuzohlala naso sinuka. So yeah, you had to. It gave me a lot of thought ukuthi ngamampela Marias. It would sound rude, but yes, you did it for yourself. You have to learn to do things for yourself, not to do things because of normal expectations. It was so deep when she said that, and yeah, I thought of sharing this.